My name is Sakura. It's nice to meet you. Today is May 4th, 2026. So, how does this voice sound? My name is Sakura. It's nice to meet you. Today is May 4th, 2026. So, how does this voice sound? Hey there, testing, testing. I'll beat your ass at baseball. Try me, bitch. Welcome. Thank you very much. Please come again. This is good old fun.
You dropped something. It looks important.
Thank you.
Try to be careful with it. Okay.
I'll take good care of it. Whoa! Are you alright? Please help me! Well, this is really strange. But I'm sure you'll be fine. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and trust you. You're so kind. It was no trouble at all. I had a fun time with Xiaoguan, and if I'm being honest, it's all thanks to you, Top Dog.